Where's it at?
Right there.
Grab it. There's stuff on the top, so be careful. Let's turn on the lights. Ooh, that's bright. Alright, don't go just ripping it open.
Who's that for?
For you
Me?
guys. No, it's not just for you. What's the, I guess, can't read that. It says OH32 times O2 kit. Cell phone size roll cage.
What they going on?
This?
Maybe even smaller because my phone's kind of big. Hold on. It says Orlando Hunter.
Our brother Hunter.
And we gotta paint it. Alright, so
Can I put it?
get a hold of it and open it up. Don't just go shredding it.
Bye-bye. Here, I'm gonna go grab something, Jay.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
I'm about to get it.
Here, stop. No, you're not.
Oh, just let him try. See? He got it.
Here.
You might need it for the ends, though.
Rip it.
Alright, get that stuff out of the way.
Yeah, get all the garbage out the way.
Don't lose them.
Mm,
Don't cut your finger neither.
Do not.
Should have got the X-Acto knife.
I'll be right back. I'll go grab that.
You get it?
Knife.
Hold on, he got it, buddy.
You did?
Yeah. Alright, what do we got there? Hey, slow down, slow down. Some stickers and the manual to put it together.
A
What do we got here?
screwdriver, a whole bunch of tiny screws. I can barely see with my
Some
eyes.
shocks.
I'm getting glasses pretty soon, Dad.
I know, I heard springs, the axles. We got some tires,
It comes with the body.
some phones.
Did we just buy a car for 99 cents? How much money was it?
Holy cow, look at the size of these screws.
99. Well, actually 100.
This was only 100. That's not even a lot.
No, we can use this body for it. Guess,
Some tiny pieces.
yeah, the car, and also guess what? How many colors? Wait, is that what this is for?
What is this?